Here's how to fit a stair runner on a quarter landing staircase. Depending on your personal preference, there are a variety of different looks you can achieve with a quarter landing staircase. We recommend fitting the runner on your steps first, then moving on to your quarter landing. There are 4 different finishes you can choose from. Depending on which one you opt for, the method of installation will differ. Bear in mind, installing a miter join is a more difficult method, so contacting a local carpet fitter is an option. To get started, you will need a tape measure, a staple gun, a safety knife, a bolster, and a rubber mallet. Step 1. Place the runner into position. Once your stairs are prepped with grippers and underlay, roll your stair runner out, starting from the top step. Make sure the runner is central on your stairs, with even spacing at either side. Step 2. Secure the stair runner. Position your bolster where the riser meets the tread, and use your mallet to tuck the runner into the grippers you installed earlier. Work through this process on each and every step from top to bottom, checking that even spacing has been maintained on either side, and the runner is still central and pull tight. Use your safety knife to trim away any excess on the bottom step, then neaten up the edges using the bolster. Step 3. Finishing touches. Depending on your preference, you can simply leave your runner as is. Leaving the wood showing on your quarter landing provides a great finish by itself. However, if you'd like to bring the runner up onto the quarter landing, there are different ways you can do this. For a border finish, place your stair runner in the center of the landing, leaving gaps of the same width above and either side of the runner. Measure to make sure it is positioned correctly. Then staple the runner into position. Ensuring you leave enough length to tuck the runner in at the bottom, cut off the excess and pin the runner under the landing using your staple gun. For an extended finish, place your stair runner in the center of the landing, pushed snugly against the back of the step. Measure to make sure it is positioned correctly. Then staple the runner into position. Ensuring you leave enough length to tuck the runner in at the bottom, cut off the excess and pin the runner under the landing using your staple gun. For a mitered finish, you will also need carpet adhesive and an iron. We will be using an Invisi-seamer, but this isn't essential. First, fold the runners together as they lay on the sub-landing of your staircase. Then create a triangular join to determine the best place in your pattern to place the 45-degree miter cut. Don't forget, since this is a more difficult installation, you can always contact a local carpet fitter for help. Cut both runners diagonally at a 45-degree angle where you want them to join. Cut a piece of carpet adhesive slightly longer than the length of the miter. Then, place the runner rugs on top and line up the edges where you want them. Use an iron on the hottest setting to iron the rug sections for up to a minute to get the glue adhesive strip to melt and bond to the runners. Push the edges of the joins together and trim excess fibre from the joint, then trim the carpet adhesive so it doesn't show. Place your stair runner so it matches up with your steps and staple into position. Cut off the excess and use the bolster to neaten up the edges. Pin the runner under the landing using your staple gun. For a full carpet finish, we recommend using a carpet knee kicker to keep the carpet taut. However, you can install your carpet without one. First, cut your carpet to size, ensuring it will cover the whole quarter landing. Be sure to check the Run Rug website to see our collection of runners with matching landing carpets. Position your carpet and make cuts at the corners around any poles or banisters. Using your safety knife, cut off the excess carpet and neaten the edges with the bolster. Ensuring you leave enough length to tuck the carpet in at the bottom, cut off the excess and pin the carpet under the landing using your staple gun. Here we've also installed stair rods to add extra style and character. You can view our How to Install Stair Rods video on our YouTube channel.